Make seafood mac and cheese stuffed egg rolls. Start by cooking your favorite macaroni noodles about 3 minutes under the suggested cooking time. Drain your noodles and set aside, then season 8 ounces of peeled and deveined shrimp until your pinky goes numb. Preheat a large saucepan over medium heat, and once the butter is bubbling, add in your shrimp. Cook them 30 seconds per side, remove them, add in 6 ounces of lump crab meat and warm that through for 30 seconds, then remove it as well. Run it through a sieve and you got a killer garlic herb seafood butter. Wipe out that same pan, then over medium heat add a couple tablespoons butter. Once melted, slowly stir in a couple tablespoons flour, then slowly stir in a couple cups of whole milk. Once lightly bubbling, add in your favorite cheeses. Mine are smoked Gouda and sharp cheddar, then turn off your heat. Add back in your macaroni noodles, shrimp, crab, followed by parsley and green onion tops. I would eat this mac off a trash can lid, but let's make it even better. Add a bunch of your favorite cheeses, a big spoonful of that seafood mac and cheese, then use a little water to seal them up. The secret to extremely crispy egg rolls that stay crispy is a double fry. I recommend a couple minutes at 300 Fahrenheit, then raise your heat to 375 for another couple minutes. Drain them on a wire rack, and come on, you gotta dip them in the seafood butter. If you haven't followed yet, click that plus to keep up with my almost daily uploads. And now,